Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and I am back with another video. Would you believe me if I told you this was a full protective style using clip-ins? Yes, I said that, clip-ins, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made this a full protective style, which will be great for those transitioning to go natural ladies, and also if you just want a full protective style for the winter months. So this hair, or these clip-ins, is by Curlsqueen. Okay, I've been using Curlsqueen for quite some time, and my package also came with some goodies here. It came with this really fire brush. Okay, I really like this brush, especially when detangling hair after washing and conditioning the clip-ins. And this clip-in set also came with some extra clips, just in case you need to replace a few on that web. And it came with a drawstring bonnet. I was like, this is cute. My clip-in set is 22 inches, and this texture is the coarse, kinky, blown out texture from Curlsqueen. It is true to length, 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin hair, and it comes with 10 pieces for a full head. And y'all, this set is thick and full from top to bottom, so I'm really excited to try these out. And I'm loving how textured this hair is, and the wefts are really nice and thin and secure. I really like how they have this clipped onto the weft for extra security, and I do feel like this set has been upgraded because I have had clip-ins from Curlsqueen in the past, and this one is a little bit different as far as this set. As you can see, like the weft has a really nice bond to it at the top, so you don't have like as much shedding, and they're nice and thin for a nice flat install. And there's 10 pieces within this set, perfect for customizing. So y'all, I have a lot of new growth. So to install these clip-ins, I'm going to keep my hair plaited because I am a million weeks post relaxer. So I don't want to add a lot of manipulation to my hair right now. So with these clip-ins that I love so much is that they're long in length, so I can customize and cut each clip-in weft to match the size of my section and to fit my head properly. So I'm just going to pop these bad boys on right on top of my plaits, and it's just so easy to maneuver and to clip on, and they're very secure, and that's what I love about these clip-ins. So I'm going to use the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray on this hair. Again, this is 22 inches, so I decided to wand curl it. I wanted some really pretty wand kind of like waves, which I think are great for the holiday. It gives, you know, holiday vibes. So with each clip-in weft, I wand it right after installing it. And I find doing it this way to be the easiest way and the fastest, especially when I'm on the go and I need to go somewhere. So I'm really loving how the hair is curling. It curled with ease, and the hair is very soft, and I did not have any shedding. I've never had any problems with Curlsqueen hair, and this is actually my first time trying the coarse, kinky, blown out texture, and I love this texture so much because it really blends in really well with my natural hair color and texture, being that I'm so many weeks post relaxer. So this full protective style is ideal for me, and I really love with this texture you can do so many different styles with this. You can do braid outs, you can do rod sets, you can do twist outs. You can really do pretty much anything because this texture really mimics blown out, relaxed hair and silk pressed hair as well. So these types of textures have always been my favorite because they look the most natural on us, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to continue to install these clips, and it's so easy, and I love doing an installation like this, especially for protective styling, being that we are in the cooler winter months, and this allows my hair to be really nice and moisturized underneath. And this also fulfills that urge of me wanting to use heat. So instead of using it on my natural real hair, I get to use it on these beautiful full clip-ins to get really the same exact look. So I'm loving this, y'all. Like, I love the texture. I love that I don't have to do too much in order to get a really nice full look, because these clip-ins are very full with the 10 pieces that it came with. So you know, you can get a lot more pieces with this set, being that, you know, some of the wefts are really long, so you can kind of customize them and piece them where you want. So yeah, I love that about this clip-in set, and they're so beautiful. I'm loving the natural looking texture of this hair. I got so many compliments when I wore my hair out with this style. You'll see at the end what I'm doing. But I'm also going to go ahead and do a half up, half down, okay, because again, I have a lot of new growth, so I need to use some eco style or gel. style on those edges. I have some inches of new growth here, y'all, and I find that this style looked really good with my wavy roots and kind of like the half up half down style. So it really mimicked, you know, what I had going on at the new growth area. So you can see that texture towards the top of the clip-in weft. You can see it's kind of like wavy, and I didn't want to blow that out or flat iron it, but you definitely can flat iron these clip-ins to get a really nice pin straight look too. So that's why I love this texture in particular, because you can do so many different things and get so many different looks with this. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, put that up with an ouchless band, and so far so good. It's slicked down, giving what I wanted to give. And so I'm just going to twist the top up. I put a little piece of the clip-in strand within my hair just so I can wrap this around in a little donut bun like that, and just make sure that it's really nice and secure. And then I'm going to take a 2-clip weft and I'm going to wrap that around the base of the ponytail for a full protective style with no hair out. And I love how natural this looks. It looks like my hair, okay? So also I'm going to take a piece of extra hair that did not have a clip on it, and I'm going to bobby pin that to the back, and I'm going to wrap that extra hair around the base also to cover up that track, because we don't want to be clogged. You know, we want to give seamless, effortless, you know, glam look. So I'm really loving how this is turning out so far. I was like, yes, this is really easy and it's super, super beautiful. And I will say this hair is very comfortable. It didn't feel heavy on my hair. I didn't feel any tugging or pulling, which is why I love that I was able to install these clip-ins in this kind of way. It's perfect for people who are transitioning to go natural, or those people who just really want to protective style their hair and not apply heat on their hair like me. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same exact thing and wand curl the very top using some Sebastian Shaper Plus soft hold hairspray, and wand curl this out with my Neuro wand curler that I love. It's so good. I love this by Paul Mitchell. And so I'm feeling this, you know, I'm feeling real cute. Gotta spray it on down, and it's so pretty. And you know, I was debating if I wanted to do baby hair because I'm so many weeks post relaxer and it was going to require so much edge control, but I decided to go for it because I felt like it made the look, you know, even more cuter. So I'm just going to apply some of this Affirm sensational edges to my edges, and I was surprised that it held pretty well. It held really nice. So I'm just going to do a little swoop-de-doop, nothing too dramatic because, you know, I don't want to do grown woman edges. I just want a little cute situation. Just a little cute boop, you know, slick that on back, slick it up. And it's holding pretty well. I did apply a satin scarf and let that sit on my hair for about 10 minutes. And it gave me the look that I wanted. So y'all, this is it. This is the look. I love this so much. And I love the color of this clip-in set. It matches my hair perfectly. I love how fluffy and full this hair is. Very soft to touch. And I will say this hair smelled amazing. There was no strong chemical smell. I didn't even receive any shedding, even when I did cut the wefts to match and to fit the section that I was working in. So I'm really loving this. This is the perfect kind of like holiday hair, you know, for, you know, those holiday parties coming up, you know, this month, and for New Year. You know, actually, you can wear this anytime, to be honest, but I just feel like this would be a super cute holiday look. So I'm really loving the half up, half down, but I also wanted to see what it would give with a deep side part, kind of like action. So I'm going to do a deep side part, and I'm going to section off my leave out. This is going to be a very small amount of leave out because I still want this to be a protective style for me, being that the front of my hair is more fragile than the back right now. So I want to make sure that everything is nice and tucked away. And of course, my hair is moisturized. So I'm just going to gently plait this up, making sure it's nice and loose and put out of the way, because plaiting this up will allow me to apply the clips again on top of the plaits in the very front. And I'm also going to have a piece of leave out right here, just so I can cover up the clip-ins in the front area. So I want to make sure these leave out areas are very thin. And I'm going to take a piece out in the front. And so it's going to be shaped kind of like an L. And then I'm going to take a little bit of leave out on the other side also, and plait each section back up and kind of feed in the plaits within each other just to make sure everything lays nice and flat. So it's an L shape there. I have my leave out here and on the other side. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in each section with the clip-ins and sizing it, appropriate to each section width. And then wanded once again. So this is a super easy protective style for me that I enjoy doing, especially when I'm a lot of weeks post relaxer and on this current hair journey of hair recovery from being iron deficient. So this is perfect for me. And also I never sleep in my clip-ins overnight. I only wear them for a few hours and then take them out when I want to go to bed. So I'm just going to gradually fill in the section until it's all filled up. And I'm going to take this larger clip weft with 4 clips on it and fill that in right there. So everything is laying really nice and flat on top of the plaits. And then again, I'm going in with my Neuro wand and just popping a quick wave in there. And I'm taking a 2 clip weft and filling that in right there too. So yes, everything is laying really nice and flat, and these clip-ins, the hair is so full. Oh my gosh. So I'm just doing the same thing with each snap and click of the clip-in. So I'm filling this section in too, and the remaining section at the top, I'm going to use a weft that has 2 clips on there. So like that. And boom, another one. I'm going to pop that on right there. And these are really nice and comfortable too. Even though these clip-ins are really full, they are very lightweight. And I'm going to take this one clip and I'm just going to place it right at close to the base where my parting is on my deep side because I want that to be a little more full. And I'm curling this wand forward towards my face. So now it's time to cover the tracks up with a very small amount of leave out because that's what I wanted to do, because I'm not going to apply any heat to my real hair. I'm just going to brush it on in and boom, that is it. I really like the deep side part and I'm looking forward to trying additional styles with this texture from Curlsqueen. So yeah, y'all, all information about this clip-in set and Curlsqueen is down in the description below. And feel free to stick around to watch more of my Curlsqueen hair tutorials using clip-in extensions, okay? And as always, thank you so much for watching and happy holidays.